Exploring phonics through video.
Well, hello, welcome to our video series on phonics. In these videos, we dive deep into the world of phonics and its vital role in teaching reading. Phonics is a method that helps children decode words by understanding the relationship between letters and sounds. However, how phonics is used in the classroom can vary widely. Some teachers use it as a primary method for teaching reading, while others incorporate it as a supplementary tool. Our series covers the two main approaches to phonics instruction: the top-down method, which starts with the whole words and moves to letter or sound relationships, and the bottom-up methods, which begins with individual sounds and blends them into words. We'll explore how each approach handles unknown words and the impact on students' reading development. We'll demonstrate practical strategies and techniques to help you implement synthetic phonics effectively, aiming to improve reading proficiency. Join us as we will uncover the methods and benefits of phonics instruction and see how these approaches can transform your teaching and your students' reading abilities. In this part of the video, I would like to show you 20 vowel sounds. Short A, apple, cat. Long A, labor, date. Short E, and, bed, pet. Long E, evil, begin, she. Short I, in, kiss, with. Long I, idea, mild, hiker. Short O, not, bother. Short, and we have long O in go and ocean. We have short U, up, mud, good, book, wool, stew, new, true, oi, boy, toy, coin, owl, cow, allow, south, or, law, and fraud. Next we have R controlled A. We have R in arm, cart, shark. R control E. We have bird, church. And we have R control old in or, for, corn, sport. Next we have ear, beer, near, and air, hair, care. And next we come to 24 consonant sounds. B, bat, bird. D, dad, deck. F, fun, fast. G, girl, gift. H, hat, hope. J, jet, jam. K, kiss, keep. O, lip, last. N, mom, most. N, nut, note. P, pet, past. R, rug, reach. Sun, surf. T, top, town. Van, win, went. Yellow, yard. Zip, zest. Chip, chase. And we have unvoiced sh. Ship, sheep. Voiced sh, like Asia, vision. So we have two ways to pronounce sh, sh and zh. Next we have in king, song, bang. And we have unvoiced th, in, thin, thrift, path. And we have voiced th, in, this, then, those. Hello.